Night, don't you think?
An excellent technique.
Thank you. We have one more bachelor to hear from. Bachelor number 3.
Well, I'd like to take you someplace where I could rest my arm, actually. But I get myself worked up by looking at some pictures of Sharon Stone. I'm feeling really freaky. I look at Rocky Balboa. I'm feeling really freaky. I look at Rocky Raccoon. He looked like a little burglar. A love burglar. And then I'm gonna drive you to a rock quarry. I'm gonna play you some soft rock music, followed by a little hard rock music. I'm gonna break out my chisel, find a little crevice, and I'm gonna rub some more mentholatum on your butt. You can rub whatever you want on me. There's no statute of limitations here.
You're going down a dirt road I'm not sure I want to go down.
Well, you got a little dirt road I might want to go down
Don't forget, I can knock my dick in the dirt if you like. I can come down that road too.
I don't want a UTI, so I'm not going to do that.
It'd be like Pearl Harbor. Terror, terror, terror.
There's only one Tara.
It's kind of like Gone with the Wind, right?
Because Tara.
It's exactly like that.
What the hell just happened?
I think 3 people were making different references at the same time.
I question all of them too.
I gotta rest my arm.
That sounds like a solid plan for a date, Bachelor 3. Tara, it's a tough choice to make, isn't it?
Oh, it's such a hard choice.
Before you make your choice, let's see who the audience would choose for you. By way of applause, would it be Bachelor number 1? A strong show for Bachelor number 1. Bachelor number 2? Not bad. Bachelor number 3. The audience can't decide. Hopefully you can, Tara. Who do you choose to be your soulmate?
I think it has to be Bachelor number 3.
Let's hear it for Tara and Bachelor number 3. A love match. Here's to all of our bachelors. A big Breakfast Club dating game kiss to the audience.
And now back to the movie!
Give it up for Tara, everybody.